Hi everybody!
Hi everybody!
We're back at the schoolhouse.
And we cut some tadpoles already, and we're getting some how can I pour?
Not quite yet. So we've got our jar of tadpoles here we collected from that puddle we found on our hike. And we've got this little setup here we just set up for them. We found a shallow container and we filled it with a bunch of sand at the bottom. And then we put some rainwater on top. It's important that we used rainwater, so we didn't use tap water or hose water. That would have a bunch of chemicals in it that could kill our tiny little tadpole friends over there. And then we put in some rocks so they've got places to hide and climb when they get legs so they can come out. And that's their little habitat we made for them. We dug up some plants and we put the roots in the water for them so they have something to eat. We're probably going to feed them some other lettuces and things like that as we go too. And we have them outside here in our old screened in area of our old, what we used as the duck house before it got smashed by the goats. And we're going to close them up in the screened area so our chickens and ducks can't get to them, because they would love to eat them as a little snack. So they'll be protected, but they'll still be outside, which is the best place for them so that they can get lots of natural things that they would normally eat outside, like mosquitoes and bugs and things like that. So Noah, if you want to go ahead, carefully grab the jar. Actually, before we pour it, let's take a closer look at what these little buddies look like right now. See if my camera will get a good shot of what they look like now. Pretty wiggly. They've got their swimming tails still. I wish I could get a little bit closer without it getting blurry, and you could see that they've got this kind of little, I don't know what you'd call that, little swimming kind of gills on their sides, and they're collected down here at the bottom in the sand, and we want to get them in our spot here. It's going to take them about 7 weeks to grow. We're probably at week 2. Now you can pour, okay? Get as close down to the water so they don't have too far to drop. You want to be super gentle. There we go. Are they all in?
Yeah.
All out of the jar?
Where are they?
Make sure we got them all out of here.
Where are they, Mom?
Well, now it's kind of mucky in here because we just kicked up all the mud. But they're in there. I see a couple. When the water clears up, we'll come back and check in on them again. And we'll keep y'all posted about how they grow. And you can watch them grow with us. Until next time. Want to say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.